Hello YouTube, welcome back to our 10th tutorial in Python 3.7. Today we'll be talking about the range function. So let's get straight into the video. So first I'm going to make a for statement, which you guys should probably know, but I'm just going to add a range to the end of it and I'm going to explain to you guys what this means. So suppose I have for x in range and then brackets colon. For now, I'm just going to leave this empty, but we will get to putting stuff in there. So if all this means is, so you guys should know what this part means, but you probably don't know what the range means. So here's what this means. This is a regular for loop, except the range just means however many times, whatever numbers in the parentheses is however many times it's going to loop through this statement. So in this example, we have the word 10 in there. So suppose we printed I like pie. I like pie. Okay, and we ran this. It's just gonna go through range, since range is 10, it's gonna print this out to the console 10 times. Okay? So now if you guys wanted to visualize what this would look like, if we just printed I, now we're gonna get this. So it's gonna start off at 0 and it's gonna keep printing numbers and increasing by 1. So on the first go, I is equal to 1, and then it's going to go through again. And then the second time, I is equal to 1, and then third time it's 2, fourth time it's 3. It's going to keep going on and on and on like that, okay? And keep in mind this number 10, this is 10 numbers because 0 through 9 is indeed 10 numbers, okay? So now we've tried printing both of those. Let's do something else. So let's do, how about 10, comma 20. And once again, I'll be printing I. Let's see what happens. Now when we're doing this, we're getting all the numbers between 10 and 20. As you guys should know by now in Python, usually with the second number in like a list or anything like this, it's usually not going to be counted, which is why we're only going from 10 up to 19. Similarly, suppose I went up to 15, you could expect our list to end only at 14. It's going to end at one number below this second number. And then suppose you wanted to 30, it's going to probably end at 29, right? So yeah, that's how this works. And now that we've identified that when we have two numbers, the first number is the beginning, the second one is end, we can also add a third number. So you guys might be thinking, oh, so beginning, middle, and end? Not exactly. So suppose we have another number in between, and it's 2, and we run this. Now, it's going to go from between 10 to 28, but instead of counting by 1, it's going to start counting by 2s. It's going to go from 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, all the way up till 28. Okay? So, I hope you guys understood something from this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.